install the graphics card. As you can see right here, it is a Zotac GTS 450, 1GB of GDDR5, 128-bit. I believe the clock speed is like 800 some megahertz. Yeah, it's a pretty good card. It's a PCI Express 2.0 slot. Has a available for a SLI, but this is a Crossfire board, so I can't put more than one mid-level gaming. Alright, first off, you see these slots. This is the PCI Express 16 slots. Basically, it's like this. That's to unlock it, lock it. Okay, we're going to unlock it. We're going to basically, might have to take some of the, yeah, we're going to have to remove, yeah, we're going to have to take our screwdriver, where's our screwdriver, and remove one of the panels, because the other motherboard was a little different. So we're going to take this one off, graphics card again, line it up real good with the slot, and I'm going to tip over here so I can see exactly where I'm doing. Pick it up. I'm going to slide it into its proper slot like this, and like so. Give it a little snug push, which is good. And you take this little latch and lock it in place. Okay, then we'll take the appropriate screws, add them to the hole to secure them, finger tighten them so we don't lose them real quick, and do the same for the other hole. Then we'll take this trusty old screwdriver and finish tightening. You don't want to tighten it too tight to where you strip the hose. Just enough firmly tighten it, just to hold in place for vibration. And snug. Alright, after that, we're going to connect the 6-pin. It requires a 6-pin power adapter. So we're going to do that right now. Move the side case fan out, and as you can see, the little clip is on the bottom of the card. So all you do is you just slide it in like so. If I can find the hole, we're going in. Oh no, that's okay. We just try again. No, there it goes, and snap. There it goes. It is done. Then, I already did the liberty of putting the 24-pin because I wanted to mount that before the power supply, the video card in. But first, then we're going to take the 4-pin for the CPU power. Like I said early ago, it takes 8 pin. But, this power supply can't handle 4-pin up to 140 watts. Then it needs the additional power. This processor, like I said, is a 140, 120, and 120. So all you do is you line up with pin 1. Pin 1 and pin 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take this, line it up like this, and snap it in. And you just wrap it around the card like that. Pretty much it. All we have to do is install the side case fan and boot it up. But before we go do that, I'm going to leave the side fan off and go and see if it boots up for the post. And if it does, we'll cut back and show you. If not, we'll see what the problem is. Alright, I'm going to let my buddy Toast here give the firing thing, and we'll see what it does.
Cross fingers.
3, 2, 1. And as you can see, it's doing its test with the lights. And not sure what 3H is. Sounding, and it goes off. Huh. Okay. Everything's still running. Let's turn on the monitor and see what it's doing. have enter boot and proper select boot device. Okay, that's a good sign. We're gonna cut real quick and put the Windows CD in and see how it does. 1 second. Alright, as you can see, we're in the BIOS. Awesome. Alright, as you can see, 3.2 gigahertz, L3 cache. Apparently I put the RAM modules in wrong place, so it's in single channel mode, which is not a problem. I'll just adjust that. We're gonna go in and put the time in. There's the hard drive. There's a DVD drive. We're gonna do the CD drive to be first, because we want to install OS. Don't need a super user. Everything looks perfectly fine. Other than that, we're gonna do this. We're gonna save changes and exit. We'll let that go as we wait for the BIOS. As you can see, you can press X to turbo mode, but we're not going to do any of that. And the CD should be in. Yep. And we're loading Windows 7.
Oh yeah.
Don't know how the quality is, but yeah. Oh, and I bought this too when I bought my video card. It is a Acer G2 5H 23-inch widescreen monitor. Very affordable. The price is going down since then, but it's nice. My sound system I'm using a Acoustic Authority 2.1 sub. It was given to me by a friend who recently upgraded to a 5.1 system. Other than that, the basic mouse, keyboard, I'm not too worried about that. Yeah, we're gonna let Windows install, and we're gonna come back when we're all in. So, hope you like this. Peace.